It is motherfucking time. Been way too long. It's been past 10 days now. About today. Just on this, I was talking about watermelon. So, they didn't have a whole one, so I got the personal ones. Let's go. Like, comment, subscribe, consultation, DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. If you're not following still, I can smell it. Mmm. 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 Apple juice, fresh squeezed. Mmm. Whoa. I had to stop myself getting a brain freeze, man. Man, I'm freaking mad. 10 days. Wow. I never ate 2 slices of watermelon like that. I almost feel full. See how this orange juice is. Mixing it with other stuff. Alright. Harder. We're not gonna hit it. Wowzers. I feel kind of full, not gonna lie. I mean, I think I'm gonna just get something to drink. Think about some cider, but I'm like, I'm straight. I need some of this melon. It's the melon juice. Probably be better for my stomach. Alright, y'all. That feels a lot better. That feels a lot better. Cantaloupe. Ah, shoot. Very cold. Not used to this stuff. It's been a while. Consultations. DM us. Email us at info@healingthroughinspiration.com. Subject coaching. Or you can just DM us. Healing Through Inspiration. If you're not following us there, post on a regular. Wow. I actually did it. Yeah. It's over with now. Just gonna pretty much be eating and drinking, trying to relax. Y'all like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, share it, please. Then 10 days of this stuff. If I didn't say the business course is down there, it is. Artwork at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. As well as our amazing apparel is there. Yeah, check us out. Alright, y'all. Here you go. Fine. Take a bite. Alright, I'm about to be out. Peace, y'all. Peace, love, and light. That was a richer one.